welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be very exciting because I am excited, and you guys must have got an idea what I'm talking about because of the thumbnail. So I have finally purchased my version of PS5, my first Dyson. Let me first explain to you guys why I made this purchase. This was not at all a impulse purchase. I planned it way ahead, and the biggest reason for this purchase is I was using for like many years. I was using more than 5 6 years. I was using this um, hair tool. It's like a hairbrush that dries your hair from Amazon, and it just costed me like $35, and I was using that for a very long time. And so when I used to dry my hair with that brush, my hair used to be so frizzy. Like no matter how many products I use on my hair used to always be so frizzy and like super dry, and it was just my hair just went very bad because of constantly using that brush, and then because of all the heat and everything. So like I saw so many videos of influencers and like few of my favorite influencers buying Dyson, and then I saw their review videos, and I researched a lot about Dyson, that it actually doesn't damages your hair, and it protects your hair from the heat. So it was not an impulse purchase in a nutshell. And I know it's like a very expensive product. So what I did is I planned it ahead. I started saving $50 every month until I had the amount for the purchase. And since I was a first time shopper from Dyson, they gave me a 10% off. And on top of that, there was this offer going on last week, I think, on the Dyson website, that the product cost was $499 instead of $649. So I was like, I have to buy it now because it's on sale. And they also gave me two hair tools for free. Two hair tools, as in like one was the hairbrush, and then one was a detangling comb. So they gave me these two tools for free. And yeah, so that's it. And it was like it was not an impulse purchase. And if you guys are also planning to buy a Dyson, it's a big investment, so plan it ahead. And like don't rush it. Just like plan it ahead, start saving, that like start putting a small amount towards that purchase, and then buy it in that way. So it also gives you that number of months to think or to rethink your purchase. But for me, it was like I really just wanted to buy it because I my hair were like getting damaged, and I was starting to like I had hair fall. My hair were like this long, like till my waist, but then I got them short because of the hair fall and the heat damage and the dryness of my hair, and no product was helping. So yeah, that was the biggest reason. And one more reason is that since I started working as well, and I'm not a student anymore, and I started working, I also wanted to look put together when I go to the office. Because what used to happen is my hair, I used to dry them, and since my hair texture is curly, I used to dry them, and then they used to be all frizzy. No product was helping me. So when I used to go to the office, it used to like look like puffed up like this. So I was just not happy with the way my hair was looking. It was basically looking like I just woke up and went to the office. And over here, everyone, if you come to New York, and it's not just in New York, like everywhere, people are so well dressed, and even their hair is like, it's like set, like they have curls going on, they have their hair properly set, so they look so much put together. And they like I just love being I just love being um like, I don't know what to say, like I want to look like that, basically presentable. Because the first impression is how you dress. They say dress the part, so the first impression is how you dress. So I just genuinely wanted to look put together, to look presentable. And that was also one of the biggest reason I genuinely wanted to invest in a product that is, I know it's expensive, but it will benefit me in a long run. So yeah, that was the biggest reason I have purchased this product. So now I just washed my hair, so they are wet, and I wanted to try out my Dyson with you guys. So let's unbox it. So this is the packaging. I am a big pink paglu, so I wanted this is not exactly pink, but I think it's like a little bit like rose gold. So this is my Dyson. I have already unboxed it because I wanted to check if everything is okay. So this came with a few attachments. So first is this attachment. This is the smoothing brush, and can you guys see it? It flips like this. So it moves with your hair when you use it. And then second attachment is this hair tool. This is like to blow dry your hair and give that volume to your hair. So this is the tool for that. Then this is another hair tool, which is a dryer basically. And I am a little bit confused about this one because I am confused about how to use this exactly, but I saw so many videos where people were using this to, you know how we get when we straighten our hair or we blow dry our hair, we get baby hair. So this tool basically removes those baby hairs and it like puts them down, so your hair looks put together and your hair doesn't look frizzy. So basically, this is for like frizz control. But I'll use it and I'll check how like what the results are. And we have the then we have the air wrap the curling tools. Let me open them. So we have two things. First is the larger one for bigger curls, and then you flip it like this for like the direction of the air. And then we have the smaller one for like more tighter curls and a little like smaller curls, more tighter curls. So that is that. And then we have the hair dryer attachment, and along with that, oops, and along with that, they also gave me this hairbrush as like free gift. This hairbrush is amazing, by the way. And this is a cleaning tool that they gave, but I don't know how to use this exactly, so I'll have to check and then try to use it. But this is like a cleaning tool that they gave. They also gave a comb, detangling comb, which is deep inside that box, so I'll need to remove it. But first, let's try out the Dyson. So this is the other attachment. Sorry, it's not attachment, it's a detangling comb. So it looks like this. It's a detangling comb. And now let's try out the Dyson. I have plugged it. Let's dry my hair first. So this is a locking button. If you need to unlock this, you just press it down and it comes out. Then I saw it on the, like I saw so many influencers videos that so this is the speed, and then this is the temperature, and then this is like the power. So put it on high speed, and then for this, put it on high speed too. And when you do the curls, you to the high speed, sorry, the high temperature, and then you switch it down to cool temperature and you give a cool shot to your curls, so they last basically. But let's try it out. Okay, let's try this attachment. And you have to blow dry your hair in this direction so they don't get frizzy. So you have to blow dry your hair in this downward direction. So my hair are 80% dry now, and I am literally amazed because when I used to dry my hair with the normal, blow dryer that we used to use, my hair used to be like this, like not even kidding, like super frizzed up, this big. And I'm surprised. Like, can you guys see? This is not even like literally no. I don't see compared to what my hair used to look. This is so much better, so much better. I think it's like amazing. Like my hair are not at all frizzed up and they just look normally dried. So now that my hair are 80% dried, let's switch this attachment and use this smoothing brush to remove the remaining frizz. Okay, so this brush is on. Now I'll keep this high temperature, high speed, and then guys, you know what, there's one more cool feature. If you guys have ps like if you guys have PS4 or the PS5, you know how when you're playing a game and you switch off the game, your the console stick basically vibrates as if like telling you that okay, now it's turned off. So this does the same thing too. So it actually gives you that feeling of holding a console stick. Just a fun fact. Oh my god, just look at the hair. It's literally so smooth. Oh my god. Amazing. I love it. It's literally, there's no need to buy a straightener and then straighten it out because it's so smooth. Let me show you guys from the back. I love it. I am already loving my investment because this is totally worth it. Up to now, it's like totally worth it. And if you guys are thinking about making this purchase, don't think, just buy it. But before just buying it, don't don't immediately put the amount in that. Just save up that amount every month. Give yourself like 5 to 6 months, save up that amount and then buy it. Don't rush into it, basically. So I am loving it up till now. Let's and look at this. I don't know if you guys can see, no hair fall. Literally no hair fall. There's not a single strand of hair on this. Love it. Now I'm going to use this to give my hair a little volume. Okay. Oops. Done. Just look at that bounce. Oh my god, love it. Oops. Oh my god, just look at that volume and the bounce. It's literally amazing. It looks like I went to a professional hairdresser, not even kidding. And the smoothness of my hair on top here, it's not at all frizzy. And like just by using these tools itself, I don't see any baby hair over here. Like amazing. Let's do other sections now. Loving my hair. This is so good. Like, sorry guys, I'm back. I had gotten a call. Okay, let's finish the rest of my hair. I am in love with my hair. Literally from curly and frizzy to this. I literally look like I just came from the salon. And just look at how not frizzy, like how it's not frizzy. That's like the big sell for me. And I am not an expert in hairstyling, so I am also learning. So I don't know how to properly section my hair and use the tool. I'm learning as I go. But this is also good. I'm loving it. Now let's try out the curling, the air wrap. So I've heard a lot, and guys, look at this. Not a single strand of hair. And the hair tool that I was using, that I was telling you guys, like from Amazon, it was just like this, just a little thicker, and it was just like this. And whenever I used to dry my hair used to be all over the floor, plus on that as well. So I used to lose so much hair, but not anymore. Okay, so let's now try out the air wrap attachment. Let me get that attachment. let's try out the bigger, no, let's try out the smaller one actually, because my hair is short. I am going to make a fool of myself trying to use this, because I've seen so many influencers when they try it out, it's like no one gets it right in the first go. So it's like I'm learning as I go. Okay, so they said everything to be on the high setting, and then just let's take a strand of hair. So it doesn't work on bigger sections. So let's take a small strand of hair. Oopsie. Now. Oh, 1 minute. This was in the wrong direction. Why is it not working? Oh, I was using it in the wrong direction, that's why. So this is the correct one. Just oh, okay. And then you give it a cool shot. Okay. And then off. Wow. Amazing. Let's try. Amazing. Let's try one more. Once again. I need to learn how to use this the correct way. Amazing. Love it, love it. Let's okay, I'll now try to do my entire hair with this. Let's see how much time it takes. Cool. Let's try. I think I'll be back. I just got a rubber band. I think I'll have to section my hair properly for this to work. Let's try the larger tool. Can you guys look at this volume? It's so unreal, like so unreal. It's just that this the air wrap attachment is a little tricky, so you have to learn your way through as you use it, and you'll get it one day how to use it. I'll get it one day how to use it properly, but that's why it seems a little difficult right now, because I don't know properly how to use it. But it's amazing, and the volume that it's giving, that's crazy. And one more thing I loved about Dyson is this is not at all hot. Like literally all the other hair tools that I have used up till now, this portion, like the body portion, gets so hot that it's literally like you have to like take a small napkin and hold it, because it really gets hot. But this is not at all hot, and actually this is blowing cold air, not even kidding. So maybe there's a mechanism inside to keep this body cooler, so it's easier to use. And I'm just loving it. This is my best investment up till now, and this hairbrush makes it more easy to just comb your hair and give it that shape. And I've seen a lot of influencers using hairspray to set those curls, because the curls don't last that long. But it also depends on your hair type. Like my hair is a little dry in texture, not like it's not super straight and smooth. It's like a little dry in texture and curly. So sometimes I also have to use setting spray, but even if I don't, sometimes the curls, they last. When I had long hair, at that time I had used the normal curling wand, and the curls lasted on my hair. But for some people who have super straight hair, the curls, they don't last that long, they just melt down. But this is amazing. Like I am loving it. My hair is not at all frizzy at all, and it is also giving that volume look and giving a vibe that I just came out of salon. Like if you guys can see, it's not at all frizzy, which is the biggest selling point for me. So that was all for today's video. Kindly comment down below what you think about my purchase, and um, whether you guys will also invest in Dyson or not. It is definitely a big purchase and a big decision, because it's like almost what, like, I got it in an offer, so that's why I got it for 499, and I also got the 10% discount, but it's very expensive. So make your purchase wisely, please. If you guys are planning to purchase it, save 6 months prior to purchasing this, so you guys won't feel like you made a hole in your wallet. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below how was this video and how can I improve myself in terms of making more good content. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm a new creator, just trying to explore the side of beauty content, beauty content as well, little. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, bye, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.